Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about the basics of Stat Pro. Okay, so what is Stat Pro? Stat Pro is actually structural analysis and design program. It's actually a one kind of software which is basically used for the analysis as well as design of the buildings or any kind of framed structure, or it can be of any kind, like it can be even truss also. It can be of different materials, like it can be of concrete, it can be of steel, so any kind of material. So for the analysis and design part we will be using this software. So let me show you from the beginning about Stat Pro. So here there actually I will be using the two different versions. One is Stat Pro version 8i and second one is the Stat Pro Connect edition, which is the latest edition. So first of all, let me show you from the previous version. See, this is the interface of Stat Pro, and this software, its founder is Bentley. So STAD Pro, Structural Analysis and Design Program. So along with this, let me show you something like if I need to start a new project, I will be clicking it here. Then for the open project, I can open the previous projects. After that, see, here there are different type of codes are also present, and these are the various license configurations. Like these are the various type of codes which are being used. Like as you can see here, these are the Indian design codes, then Asian design codes, Japanese design codes, Euro codes, advanced analysis engines, Middle Eastern design codes. All these are the various kind of codes. So before starting Stat Pro, let me show you some in the configuration part. So first of all, let me open the configuration part. In the configuration part, always you need to select the unit as metric, because I will be designing for the Indian code. So all my dimensions will be in meter. Okay, so I will be selecting meter, or if you require to design in foot and inches, then you can select the English part in the base unit. Then file option, here as you can see, file option, input and output file format. Okay, these are the various input and output file format properties. Then error file format. Then after that, Stat design default design code. See, remember that actually I have already set these properties here, but you have to set it manually. So what are the codes which you have to set manually? Because I will be as per my video or as per my country, I will be designing for the Indian standards. So I will be selecting, like here, these are the various steel codes. So I will be designing for steel IS 800 2007 limit state method or limit state design. So I will be, or if anybody wants to design for working stress, then they can select this part. So I will be designing for limit state by default. But remember that as I have selected this by default, so in the software, during the time of designing, this code will be selected as default, but even I can change these codes at that time also. But it actually I have selected here it as a default, because it reduces my time and reduces my burden during the time of designing. So default concrete code is IS 456. Then after that, these are the aluminium codes, that is aluminium US code. Only the aluminium code present is aluminium US code, so select that code. And default timber code is American timber code. I have selected the latest version. Then shear wall design code IS 456, which I have selected here. American Concrete Institute code also I can select here, but I will be selecting IS 456 here. Okay, after that, working directory, then file option, then these are the various profile tables is like American AISC section says, rolled steel table says, Indian section says. These are the various Indian databases. So these are the as you can see here, these are the various countries, and those various countries are having the various code books. And even I can set here background color, that is white, and a black background color. If I require black background color, then I can set black background color or white. So these are the various configurations which I need to do before starting STAAD.Pro. So I hope it's clear to all of you. So in my next video I will be teaching about how to start from the basics, that is from the new project, and in this video I have shown you what are the various properties which I have to set it before starting a new project in STAAD.Pro. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, then please press the like button and share as much as possible. And if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe my video channel. Thanks for watching my video.